A very good afternoon, 1:25 by the watch. It's me on your screen. This is me, Justine Kapani, the founder and CEO of a setup in Delhi by the name of I'm Decor and Design. We are in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions. So, firstly, a quick cheers on a nice cup of French press coffee. And my video is going to touch upon an extremely important, crisis situation in a lot of countries, including ours, and lots and lots of other countries. And this is a subject which is burning and has been of a huge concern for a lot of people. And it's it's a topic which is finally picking up and gaining importance in our country as well, since we are aiming to be amongst our top three, and we are also almost setting the roadmap and going forward with this idea of and the reality of becoming a developed country. So what does a developed country work like? So I think our thinking tanks, our brainwave geniuses, our leadership, and lots of associated industries are now functioning in that way. And the first news that came in a few days back was on this interesting, you know, reality which we are facing. And I've been contributing in my own way when I've been working in my community and stuff. Okay, so now I'm not going to keep the suspense and all. So what is this? The topic is actually waste management. So in our country, like many other countries, I mean, if you've traveled abroad and stuff, waste is a concern there as well, and so is climate and environment. So waste management or climate, is a big concern. And as Mr. Bill Gates has shared once, that it's not that bad if you are going to look into it now. And I had attended this one, Power Pack Phenomenal conference in Delhi, which had Mrs. Priti Irani come in, and they had the Bill Gates Foundation sponsoring it, and lots of other, you know, uh, important brands that participated, and they had touched upon this idea of how climate and environment is going to be a big concern, and so is pollution. And also because as a founder CEO, I get to interact with a lot of personalities from abroad. I had a one-on-one session with a few people